fire.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by, my name is Esther. I'm a beauty and lifestyle content creator. So today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's makeup tutorial for you guys. I hope you enjoy it. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my new videos. And without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm going to start off with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn, and I'm going to put this all over my eyelids, and this will act as an eyeshadow base. Next I'm going to go in with my Sacha Buttercup powder, and I'm going to use that to set my concealer in place. Going in now with the Morphe palette, and I'm just going to use the third shade, and I'm just going to put that underneath my brow bow. Now I'm going to take this brownish colour and I'm going to put it above my crease. I'm going to do it very gently because I'm going in for a very soft and simple look. Now I'm going to take this brown colour for my contour kit, and I'm just going to put it below the first colour that I just applied. I'm going to be using my MAC setting powder as an eyeshadow, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. I just love how the colour comes out. It's just nice and simple. I'm now going to apply my eyeliner. Oh yes. Ooh, look at that concentration. I just like literally have to concentrate so much when I'm doing an eyeliner because it always goes wrong. I'm now going to go in with one of my favourites, mascara, and I'm going to put it on. Oh, I love this mascara so much. I'm going to go in with that same brown colour, and I'm just going to put it just below my waterline, and before I go in with my black eye pencil. Now I'm gonna go in with these eyelashes, and oh my god, it's so difficult to do, but I think I did pretty well in this video. Well, yeah, I think so. I'm just going to brush off any excess powder and finish the rest of my makeup, and then we can move on to the hair. So for the hairstyle, I'm going to keep it very simple. I'm just going to create like a side bang and just tie everything back, and that's about it really. The dress I'm wearing here is a sleeved wrap detail midi dress, and it's from Boohoo. I love this dress so much. It's so simple but yet sexy at the same time. It's got like a little side slit so you can just show off a little bit of leg, and that's the end. Thank you so much for watching. Please do check out my previous videos. Thank you.